Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve a boundary work problem using the classic example of a pressure cooker on a stove. We'll identify the system type, state the sign convention and calculate the work done during steam expansion at constant pressure. Let us get started. Here is the problem statement. A pressure cooker containing 0.5 kg of water is placed on a stove. The steam valve is open to the atmosphere. We are asked to do three things. First, identify the system type and its boundaries. Second, calculate the boundary work done when steam expand at constant pressure of 101,325 kilopascal. Given that the specific volume change from V1 0.001 meter cube per kg to V2 0.5 meter cube per kg. And third, state our sign convention clearly. Look at the diagram on the right. You can see the pressure cooker sitting on the stove. Water is at the bottom, steam is forming above it, and the valve at the top is open. That means steam is escaping to the atmosphere. Keep this image in mind as we identify the system. Let us here check all these given data. So here mass of water m, that is 0.5 kg, pressure constant, that is 101,325, and then initial specific volume V1 0.001 meter cube per kg, and final specific volume V2 0.5 meter cube per kg. Now let us compute the total volume. So that is initial total volume V1 is m into V1, that is 5 into 0.5 into 0.001, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube, and final total volume V2, that is m into V2, 0.5 into 0.5, that is 0.25 meter cube. Now here is the critical question: what type of the system is this? The steam valve is open. That means that mass in the form of steam is crossing the boundary of the cooker. Whenever mass cross the boundary, the system is an open system. The boundary of our system is the thinner wall of the pressure cooker plus the valve opening. The surrounding is the atmosphere at 101.325. Now let me state the sign convention. We will use that IUPAC sign convention. Work done on the system is positive and work done by the system is negative. So the formula for boundary work is minus integration of V1 to V2 PdV. So since steam is expanding, V2 is greater than V1, which means the integral is positive, and therefore W will be negative. That is confirming that the steam is doing work on the surrounding. Now let us calculate the boundary work. So the formula for the constant pressure boundary work under IUPAC convention is minus integration of V1 to V2 PdV, that is minus P m into V2 minus V1. Now substitute all these value P, M and V2 and V1. So W will be minus 25.28 that kilojoule. So the negative sign is physically meaningful. It tells us that the system, the steam inside the cooker is expanding and pushing against the atmosphere, doing work on the surrounding. Look at the PV diagram here. So the process is that horizontal line at constant pressure P is equal to 101,325 and moving V1 to V2. The shaded area under this line represent the magnitude of the boundary work, so which is equal to 25.28 kilojoule. This is called an isobaric process because constant pressure throughout. Now let us quickly recap what we did today. First, we identify the system as an open system because mass was escaping through the valve. Step 2, we stated the IUPAC sign convention. Work done by the system is negative. We applied the constant pressure boundary work formula and calculate W is actually minus 25.28 kilojoule. And the negative sign confirms the system expand and does work on the surrounding. Exactly what you would expect when steam pushes out through an open valve. I hope this problem was clear. If you have any doubt, drop them in the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more thermodynamics problem explained step by step. See you in the next video. Thank you.